So here you have it, Samsung Note 9. The Note 9 has 8 gigabytes of RAM. It is fully loaded at 512 gigabytes of storage. It is seamless. It has a screen protector on. Therefore, if you remove it, you'll see a spotless screen. The back is very well kept. As you know, the Note 9 is infamous for showing fingerprints. However, there are no cracks, no scratches, and it is a blue color. I believe it's called Ocean Blue. It's got a double camera, flash, all working items. There's a charging point, and there is the little pen. The pen works flawlessly. When the screen is off, it will turn on the screen. Additionally, there's face recognition. Hopefully it works as we are filming it. Come on, Samsung. So one thing that's important to note about face recognition, you have to do it right from the beginning. So if you're moving the phone around like I was when I was making the video, it's going to struggle a little bit. The fingerprint sensors in the back, I recommend registering at least 4 fingers for seamless use. As you can see, it's very responsive, it's quick. One of the coolest aspects of the Samsung Note 9 is that it has a vibrant, bright screen. Out of all of the current models that are out on the market, the Samsung Note 9 has the brightest screen, brighter than the S10 Plus or the S10 itself. So if you're moving the phone around like I was when I was making the video, it's going to struggle a little bit. The fingerprint sensors in the back, I recommend registering at least 4 fingers for seamless use. As you can see, it's very responsive, it's quick. One of the coolest aspects of the Samsung Note 9 is that it has a vibrant, bright screen. Out of all of the current models that are out on the market, the Samsung Note 9 has the brightest screen, brighter than the S10 Plus or the S10 itself. So if you're outside, if you're driving, sunny day, this phone will still be visible, which is pretty cool. The volume is really great on this phone. It works with all Bluetooth 5.0 devices. I obviously listen to the craziest music. So here we go at full volume. The volume is at the bottom of the phone. If you have a cradle, you can improve the bass. If you have a cradle, you can create more bass with this phone. So this is a fully loaded computer, as you guys can tell. And good luck bidding. It will come with all of its original pieces. It has an IMEI number. This phone is a clean phone. Therefore, you will have no trouble setting up this phone with any SIM card worldwide. It is GSM factory unlocked. The receipt is available, as well as this is a Samsung.com purchase when it was released. It has all of its items in the case. As soon as I get the stuff out, it's very well packaged. It has its 2.0 amp charger for fast charging. You have a transfer module. However, the transfer modules have been replaced with new UI that will transfer all of your data through Samsung Backup and Samsung.com account, which is pretty awesome. It's actually the same speed, which I really like. It has a charging cable included. However, it is missing the headphones that originally come with the Samsung phone. But it is in a used, like new condition. So here you can see all of the items that normally come with the phone, and the only thing missing, unfortunately, is the headset. However, the great thing about this purchase is that it's OEM, all original parts, and in an amazing condition. And it comes with a free phone case. This is a magnetic back, so if you have the magnet car holders, this will be a great case for this phone.